What's up, guys? This is the unboxing of some magnets that I ordered from a company called Yimers. Here we go. Let's see what it is we have. Okay. Get all the paper. So, 1, 2, 3. Yimers. Ta-da! Now, I ordered a set of 3. Generally, you'll probably get 1, and it would look something like this. Warning, age 14 plus. Keep away from children, may be harmful or fatal if inhaled or swallowed. May require surgery to remove. You assume this risk when opening the tin. Looking nice, a thank you card. Thank you very much, Yimers, for making such an awesome product. All right, let's get into the tin. We have ourselves a card to separate those magnets. You can count up to 11 magnets on one card, as you can see by these individual colors. Very useful. We have an instruction booklet. Shows you all the cool features to set these magnets up. A really good quick start guide. And then underneath the foam, what can it be? Oh, you know, the suspense. It's killing me. Super, super cool. And this is where all the fun begins. And we have ourselves the 7 different colors. And this is where the card separator comes in handy. Ta-da! 252 and all. Very nice indeed. Can't wait to build. See you in the next video.